Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर and today I am showing you all how to make raw papaya kebabs. Now raw papaya vegetable also you can make and which I have already shown you all and we can make some kebab also. So again this was given organic and by my neighbor, so it was half. I took half of raw papaya. Quantity is yours, so half was it was such a big half and I grated this and so I've got this now after grating. So I have used this part to grate. Okay, this is also okay, but this is better. Thanks to my husband who helped me in grating this. Grating is a big work actually, and he helped me in this. I thank him. So now what else we need is, so this is like half of grated papaya. तर हांवें ओद्दी पपाय घेतल्या, आमची हरी पपाय, दोन्ही पपाय ओद्दी आनी ताका बरे भशेन हांवें ग्रेट करून घेतला. घरान सगळ्यांगेर ग्रेटर आसतात. ओके, धाकटो जावं व्हडलो आसतात, तर ताका बरें करून ग्रेट करून घेयात. आनी हांवें ही वाली ब्लेड उजार केल्या, ही बारीक पळय ती. मागीर आमकां जाय दुसरो वस्तू. So now I need, this is like 2 medium sized onions finely chopped. These are few of mint leaf for a flavor. This one of this size of coriander leaves. Then this is like around 1 tablespoon of besan, that is channa atta besan. This is like one of this bowl size of breadcrumbs. This is tomato puree or paste of a small tomato. Then we also need 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 boiled potatoes, and this is shimla mirch, that is amchi shimla mirch what we get, capsicum. Then salt to taste. I will be adding some cumin powder, then some homemade garam masala powder, turmeric powder, chili powder little bit, and of coriander powder. So this all will go. So let's start. So this is papaya, raw papaya kebabs. Okay, so first of all we'll add this potatoes and we'll mash this. So use your masher. तर हे 3 बटाटे हांवें घेतल्या बॉयल करून, आनी बाकीचे हांवें जे पळय इंग्लिशीन सांगलां ते तुमकां सगळ्यांक कळलां आसतलें. 2 प्याव, मागीर आमचे पुदिना घेतला हांवें इतले. मागीर एक ही वाटी हांवें आमची हरी धनिया घेतल्या, कोथमीर. मागीर हे 1 कुलेर हेजें बेसन चना आटा. मागीर हे धाकटुशे तामोटाची पेस्ट. मागीर ह्यो जावन आसा कुटुरो आमचो ब्रेडाचो क्रम, बेकरीन मेवता हिंगासर, घराय करूं येता. हे जावन आसा 2 हरी मिरची, मिरसांग, हरी मिरची. मागीर ही धाकटुशे कुलेर आले लसणाची पेस्ट, आनी ही धाकटी आमची शिमला मिर्च, कॅप्सिकम म्हणटा पळय ती हरी, ती ना जाल्यार पूण चलता. ओके, आतां हांकां आमी बरें मॅश करून घेवया बटाट्यांक हांच्या बरोबर. मॅशर ना जाल्यार धाकटुशे वाटी घेयात आनी मॅश करात. This is specially for all our children would avoid sometime, but in hotel and restaurant when they are given kebabs and all, they relish it. आमचे मॅश जाले. आता आमी एक एक वस्तू करून सगळी भितर घालुया. आमकां प्याव घालुया. हितून ही वस्तू घालुया. chopped. I chop करूँ ना तो फ्लेवर ऑफ लागन. टमाटाची पेस्ट, चण्याचे पीठ, चणा आटा, salt to taste. Okay, so base mashes पोयात तुम्ही. आता आमचे मसालो. So now we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. There's a haldi pito. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, आमचा धनिया powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. आणि आमचे cumin powder घालूया. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. आणि a heap of आमचं homemade garam masala powder. झाले सोडले. And now we will add little bit of oil, very little, around 1 small teaspoon. And we'll start adding this. First we'll add around 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of this breadcrumbs. Now we'll mix all this. यात आम्ही बरे भशेन सगळे मेळून घेऊया आणि salt to taste. Salt to taste. आता आम्ही बरे भशेन मिक्स करूया. So we'll add 1 more tablespoon of breadcrumbs. I'll add 2 because we want it like a kebab. Now we'll add the remaining. So एक bowl कहो तो जावत. So it was like 5 to 6 tablespoon. Measurement जाय जाल्यार 5 to 6 tablespoon of breadcrumb. Okay. आम्ही झाकून घेयात. मीठ बा सगळे बरे भशेन हा. इल्लो लिमाचो लिंबू लायम ज्यूस हांव घालता. सो ह्यो हाफ लायम ज्यूस घेता. आणि एका आता परतून तोंडान घेऊन मिक्स करूया. Okay, but now next step is very simple. Make kebabs. So now we'll make kebab. So I don't know whether maso pause ahlo kide, and although lime juice gatla piyon, okay? If I missed on I kekta. Atta amka dakte kebab karuye. So let's make small kebabs. You can give kebab size this, or you can give round, whatever. So kebab. So जितले जाता तितले बरा, धाकटे जितले जाता तितले बरे. ओके, कबाब चड करून धाकटुशेच आसता. सो आमी आतां हें करून सगळें भाजूंक जाय. आनी हें धाकटुशें हें करुया. You can do flat, you can do square, you can do whichever. Kebab is kebab. Or काय ना जाल्यार हे करून एक्चुअली कबाब हे आसता. ओके. See, half papaya and so many kebabs you get. Pure vegan, vegetarian. सो जितले आतां हांव करता आनी मागीर आतां भाजता. So now we'll keep this in fridge for few minutes and then we will fry. Till then we'll keep the oil and everything. आता मातसो जे फ्रिजीन दवरया आनी मागीर आमी हे भाजून घेवया. ओके. सो तुका शेपी कसल्यो जाय ते तुमचेर आसा कबाबाचे. All up to you. Okay. So I've taken this quantity like 2 tablespoons of oil. It's hot now and we will fry our papaya kebab into this. Overcrowd kori na, but so this is the only half. इतले आनीक आतां दवरला हांवें ते मागीर भाजता पयलीं हें तुमकां दाखयता. So you can get so many kebabs out of half papaya. So if you are making your family is big and you have some party or something like that, one papaya will make as a starter so many kebabs. मीडियम फ्लेमीचेर भाजता हें. Let it be medium flame. Check now. And slowly. Okay. बरे भाजल्या. Tiffin, party snack, tonak. It's very. Plus, it is healthy. So आमचे kebab ready to serve in the plate. आणि बरे दिसतात आणि बरे लागतात ते. तुमच्या टावल पेपरांनी काढूं येता. कोणाक तेल बासू बेस नाका तांकां. आणि माझे कबाब्स रेडी खावपाक. स्लोली काढात. Patience जाय, patience. आणि वस्तू मागीर बऱ्यो जाता patience. You need patience for everything and you get beautiful things out of patience. Thankful for my neighbor who gave me this raw papaya, and I was thinking like I didn't want it vegetable such. So I thought of making this. So आमचे kebabs ready. Papaya kebab. Papayaची कबाबा आमची रेडी. तुमच्यान कटलेट म्हणत कितेंय म्हणत. बट हेजें नांव एक्चुअली पपाया कबाब. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगल्यांक. आनी मानता की तुमकां ही रेसिपी म्हजी आवडटली. थँक्यू.